thank you all. That was a really good presentation. It was really good to know more about you. So we have selected top three pitches and top three ideas, and it was really hard to choose. So one of the winners is Arskin. Yes. So, congrats. So, and the second one is Project Aya, Eldar. Paul? And third one was really hard to choose, but what Semi. So yeah, you're three lucky winners. Yeah. Congratulations. No, really want to.
Yeah, actually, guys. So the three pitch decks, three startups we chose. It doesn't mean that they are better than you guys. Probably they just show a real problem. They have some traction. But you guys also have good ideas, but maybe you need just to show the problem so that it can be visible. Because sometimes, to be honest, it was difficult to choose these three people. To be honest, we waited a little bit. So just in future, it would be great if you can show problem. I mean, better can show that you have potential with these customers. Even it's okay if they don't pay, but they're willing to pay in future. So this would be great. So guys, good luck, and you guys, yeah.
So Google on Friday, I'm giving your names to Milan. But all of us will go, and there will be other, let's say, visits to other companies. So you go to Google, so you're not eligible for going to on Friday. Okay, the others will go. So,
Group photo.
group photo. Yes, let's do group.